The TMC goes, the TMC cadres, Deepak Shankar Rai, who have filed a case sitting in Bangladesh leadership. He have not even examined by the police, no sign in the FIR sheet leadership.
You have taken some steps against that?
I have taken steps for Supreme Court. Supreme Court remanded back to Honorable Calcutta High Court. High Court given me some protection to some extent, that not to take any coercive step by the police. That only, ladyship. But ladyship, my life protection have not been granted, ladyship.
He is incorrigible. You don't even listen to the court.
Ma'am, he have not served me copy. That I said to him. He has
Just
not.
look at your language.
My family is in danger. Definitely I will. What I'm supposed to, in which way I'm supposed to say or speak. Now I have to learn manners. Now I have to learn manners.
I am submitting, they are telling, মানে পাশ থেকে বলছে বাবা কমেন্টও চাই। ম্যাডাম কি বলবো বলুন, মানে আমি বাংলাও বলে ফেলছি প্রভোকেশন।
At least আমার সেই ক্যাপাসিটি আছে যে আমি এই বয়সে ভিকটিমদের রিপ্রেজেন্ট করছি, টাকার জন্য মাথাটা বিক্রি করিনি ধর্ষকদের কাছে, যেটা স্টেট করে। প্লিজ ladyship, now the supplementary affidavit which pertains to that, ladyship, everything was okay, everything was fine, my life was going smooth. All of a sudden, 29th of April.
Have you given them?
Yes,
a copy?
ladyship,
Just
I have
now,
submitted.
just now.
No, next
Okay,
date
please
we'll
let
hear
me
it out.
submit. Please, you have received just now. Let me
Just
submit,
now.
please.
Yeah, just now you have.
You have given them
Yes,
all
ladyship.
of them a copy?
Well, all, just now I have received.
You have received a copy, sir. You give them a copy.
Yes, ladyship, I have given.
You give him a copy.
Yes. Sir, আমি একটু পড়ে
He's responded number 1 and 2, the union. On the last occasion, you said presently your grievance is only against
Yes,
union.
yes, ladyship. My present
number
grievance still pertains to respondent number 1 only, ladyship, primary, because ladyship.
The others are not there.
No, ladyship, everything is there. Primary prayer, primary prayer is security, ladyship, as because ladyship, just kindly 2 minutes, patient hearing, 2 minutes, I will submit everything. 29th.
Use your, be
Yes,
careful
ladyship.
about the language.
Ladyship, yes, I bow down, I will.
And your tone and tenor.
Ladyship.
Tell me.
Ladyship, on 29th of April 2023, I was beaten up, I was molested in my own chamber, humiliated, everything. Ladyship, after 1 year, after 13 months, ladyship, all of a sudden, as because I represented first PIL in-person petitioner from state of West Bengal on behalf of Sandeshkhali victim women, the state government started targeting me.
Madam, your issue.
Yes,
Here,
issue pertains to this. Yes.
Petition is different from what other matters are there.
It is connected. It is connected to Sandeshkhali corely. Yes.
Then you take actions.
Yes, I am taking actions, ladyship.
Categorically mentioned on the earlier date that I will not go beyond this particular
Yes,
petition.
ladyship, as because I do cases against state of West Bengal, the TMC government is completely against me, ladyship. I need the protection, ladyship, otherwise I will be unable to move before your ladyship in person. My life is the primary concern now. I'm not concerned. FIR, ladyship, if they want to, they have the power in their hand, they will file 10 more cases, they will make me arrested. Many cases, ladyship. Ladyship, there are total 7 to 8 cases, ladyship, against me. Not everything is possible for me to find out, because every day they are creating new issues. For the past 2 days, Navanna Abhijan, even I was not even present. Still they are connecting me. Ladyship, to be very, ladyship, continuously, she is continuously talking. It is very much political.
Already handed over.
It is political. It is very much related to political rivalry. I have to state everything before ladyship.
Okay. I told you these
ladyship,
have you taken up in the writ petition? All these, whatever
yes,
you are.
Yes, that is the main subject matter which I approached before Supreme Court. Supreme Court ordered that I have reported Supreme Court that I am the Sandeshkhali council. After that, they are taking charge of my personal case. 14 months old charge sheeted. 14 months, ladyship, I repeat.
That is the subject matter of this.
Yes, everything is connected. Ladyship, kindly have some patience. I will make you understand A to Z details, ladyship.
Not in this higher pitch.
Ladyship, I bow down for my voice, ladyship. I was a classical singer. That's why my voice tonal is little bit higher, ladyship.
Come down. And then
I bow down, ladyship.
Paragraph number 32, that is mentioned within my writ petition. Within writ petition that the Sandeshkhali matter was there thereafter they have been much more active against her. That is, they are on a
My old parents,
Who are they, by the way?
the TMC goons, the TMC cadres, Deepak Shankar Rai, who have filed a case sitting in Bangladesh leadership. He have not even examined by the police, no sign in the FIR sheet leadership.
You have taken some steps against
I
that.
have taken steps for Supreme Court. Supreme Court remanded back to Honorable Calcutta High Court. High Court given me some protection to some extent, that not to take any coercive step by the police. That only, leadership. But leadership, my life protection have not been granted, leadership. I want that my life to be go on uninterruptedly. I can profess and practice my profession, leadership, as because I am a socially active citizen. I work for the society. There are several victim women for whom I stand up. I have 40 to 50 victim women for whom I stand up. All from the NGOs, from many places, leadership. I beg.
Who is doing what to you?
Leadership,
There must be
the local political party have broke down my chamber glass. They have come, they have affixed a letter in my father's residence, where I am the complainant. It is showing that it is a 354 offense, and the whole.
Have you filed any?
Yes, supplementary affidavit. I have filed.
When did you
Leadership,
file? When
I
did that-
again on that day only.
Which date?
That is on
16.
August 16th, 2024, leadership.
So there must be some investigation.
Leadership, I couldn't file it to DG because they are against me. CP, no. Local police, I cannot, because the local police is doing this against me, leadership. Kindly understand the grassroots level, leadership. How we are living, leadership. Because in the grassroots level, the local police station is 100 meters from my chamber.
Kindly
You are an
protection.
by profession. Here you are there.
I have approached to Supreme Court CJI. I made an email.
You have to understand that this court has its limitation. You have come up in this writ petition with certain grievances, with
Yes.
certain prayers.
Yes.
Now you are
Kindly look into
stating-
that only. Yes.
You are stating certain other issues which are not the subject matter of this.
Because this is everything, every day new cause of actions are happening, leadership. Where I will go, where before the court, if I can't keep on faith, leadership, where I will go, who will protect me? Because leadership, the Union of India don't have any objection to give me security. At least give me that. The respondent, my sole prayer is against the respondent number 1.
Let them come up.
Your
That they are
Lordship,
willing to give you security.
your Lordship,
Commando code.
your Lordship, she's creating.
No, you are a private complainant.
But I'm the sufferer, your Lordship. I am being assaulted. I have been kidnapped by them. By both of them, your Lordship. I have been extorted an amount of rupees 12 lakhs, your Lordship. And I was,
filed any case?
yes,
against them?
on the basis of the writ application. On the basis of the,
This is
yes, your Lordship. The writ
the
writ application was filed in September.
copy of the supplementary affidavit. Give
Yes.
and you file the reply to it. Okay,
And
file a reply because it is to be provided by you.
your Lordship, this
Whether you feel
order of
that the facts and circumstances of the case
No.
are such, you also must be interested.
As your Lordship, let me go through it and I shall.
You go through it
I shall
and then you come up.
and if it's a short date, I shall come.
Ashun.
order of the Supreme Court. Honorable Supreme Court order, your Lordship. Yesterday it was passed. Her transfer applications have been dismissed, your Lordship. Kalki. Honorable, she's,
Whatever you people are not at consensus, sir.
your Lordship, just
You give
because
me things in piecemeal. How can that be?
Because there is a divorce.
every time she's
Divorce.
filing new cases.
Divorce on the origin is based on divorce. The
How
person
come
staying
it
at
has come into play, sir?
Trying to divert the court
But
opinion.
out of Bangladesh, that she got enough money, or I do not know. That's why that
So you're confusing
See,
Bangladesh.
He is only to confuse, because other than confusion, he cannot win the case.
If you are here to shout, and if you are here to, I mean, every time create a trouble, madam. What is this? Is it a marketplace that you are shouting and creating problems?
Leadership, the
I am
case is-
trying to help you out.
The case is not about divorce, leadership. He is trying to
Fair enough, I'm
manipulate it.
asking him to explain.
Lordship,
Why are you coming into the midway?
Lordship, can you give me just 2 minutes? I will explain the whole case.
As of now, there are two issues to be decided. One, Mr. Rai will be present here and he will explain as to why he has mentioned the CID investigation.
Yes.
Number two, as far as the supplementary affidavit is concerned, all of you file a reply to it.
Okay.
And again, I will make it crystal clear to all of you that I am not going beyond the subject matter and the praise of this writ petition. Whatever is the background, you have other forums open. You can go and seek your redressal therein. And this is not a place where you fight with others at top of your voice, madam. I'm listening to you. I'm trying to understand your case so that if required, if the respondent number 1 and 2 are agreeable to it, they will take.
Whatever they recommend, I am not.
They will do the, they will take.
If the thing is,
they feel that it is required.
State has got no objection.
Because if they are so, I mean, against the state mechanism,
Yes.
if they do not have faith, then if the union, I mean, the respondent is in a position to provide, considering the gravity, the intensity, the severity, then they can do
Let
it.
them explain. Because why they will, yes.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
So that is for you to assess.
Yes.
And thereafter, the take the state.
My lord will decide this. My lord.
Go to the next item.
So let them assess the situation thereafter. Is it all right?
My lord, only thing, my lord,
Yes.
may I only file, I am filing the status report because
What
of
is
the
this? This a
status
transfer
report
petition?
given, my lord will get everything from here. So that my lord can visualize the situation.
Sir, may I get a copy of this? Because
Which one?
No, no, no.
Give them also a copy.
We have not received.
No, my lord, I have handed over.
No, you have not handed over. You always lie
Then-
before the court.
He is incorrigible. You don't even listen to the court.
Ma'am, he have not served me copy. That I said to him. He has
Just
not.
look at your language.
I have been beaten. No? My family is in danger. Definitely, I will. What I'm supposed to? In which way I'm supposed to say or speak? Now I have to learn manners. Manners. Now I have to learn manners. He is not giving me anything. They are harassing.
Sir,
Lordship.
ask your friend. Ask your friend to be more polite and be considerate about the.
Yes, Lordship, I can understand, but please, I will request you to consider as because that has happened to my family. You also understand, Lordship. And they are poking, continuously provoking. Being a senior advocate, provoking.
Getting provoked.
I am telling, I am submitting. They are telling. মানে পাশ থেকে বলছে বাবা কমেন্টও চাই ম্যাডাম কি বলবো বলুন মানে আমি বাংলাও বলে ফেলছি প্রভোকেশন
অ্যাটলিস্ট আমার সেই ক্যাপাসিটি আছে যে আমি এই বয়সে ভিকটিমদের রিপ্রেজেন্ট করছি টাকার জন্য মাথাটা বিক্রি করিনি ধর্ষকদের কাছে যেটা স্টেট করে
প্লিজ আপনার নিজের আপনারা বাংলায় বলছেন আমিও আপনাকে বাংলায় বলছি
লর্ডশিপ কাইন্ডলি ওদেরকে
যে ধরনের মানে অভিব্যক্তি তাতে তো আপনি নিজেকে আগের দিনও আমি ওকে বলেছিলাম
I will not come before the
My lord, I want to retire from this fitness. I will not, my lord.
should be insult.
I do not want to.
I have huge respect for the court. That's why I got so much in. I mean, when he said, I got provoked. When he said in the name of the court,
Why are you
I don't have any anger or anything. I have immense respect for the court. Whatever I am today, that is because of this black court. So I know how to respect the court and the judges. I have immense respect for the court.
the way you are behaving, you think that the court will feel that
Ladyship,
you have
my behavior can be wrong, but my intentions can never be wrong. My behavior is wrong. I apologize.
post, you keep calm, let him
Yes, Ladyship, I will not come. I will not disturb your Ladyship from the next day. But Ladyship, at least give me protection because
come. It is your entire desire whether you will come before the
I
court
bow
or
down,
not.
Ladyship.
It is not the question of disturbing the court.
Yes,
It is the
Ladyship.
question of
That
maintaining the decorum of the court.
Yeah, touch.
You have come here in the capacity
I second you, Ladyship. I second you. I am on your support, right?
of a litigant and not an advocate.
Yes, Ladyship.
If that be the case,
Yes, yes.
I told you on earlier occasion also,
Yes. Yes, Ladyship.
create that impression.
Yes, Ladyship. My impression is wrong, but my intentions are never wrong, Ladyship. He is telling that, okay, commando chai. What he knows that what kind of things I do. Why a senior lawyer is provoking me.
Why will you get provoked?
Ladyship, I just want to know when the victim is dead, then it is said that the victim has the fault. When the victim is coming before the court alive, doing for the
I have
society,
asked
then
time
again it is
and
being
again.
told.
I have asked you time and again to lower down your voice and submit. Your friend is much more matured.
Not friend, Lordship, I am the husband of.
I don't know whatever relationship you have.
He is
I'm
professionally
not
junior
aware
to
of.
me.
I
He is
don't
also
intend to.
junior
For
to
me,
me.
you are both of you are two litigants. Petitioner number 1 and petitioner number 2.
ম্যাডাম একটা কথা বলবো এই কথাটা বলার জন্য ইনি বললেন প্রফেশনাল জুনিয়র দেখতেও জুনিয়র এই কমেন্ট কেন করছেন কাছে দাঁড়িয়ে আমার কানে এলো আমি তো মিথ্যা কথা বলছি জুনিয়র তাই ম্যাডাম বললেন সেটা
আপনারা কি এটাকে কি ভেবেছেন মানে মাছের বাজার?
এরকম ভাবে কমেন্ট পাস করছেন একটু আপনি
কমেন্ট
দেখুন
পাস করছে মানে আপনারা কমেন্ট শুনছেন কেন? আমি তো শুনতে পাচ্ছি না।
ঠিক আছে
আপনাদেরকে আমি হেল্প করতে চাইছি।
ঠিক আছে
And I don't know, sir. I really don't
ডাইনি
know.
কপিটা ওটা বলতে হবে ওটা করতে চাইছি।
And they must be quite junior to you. And don't make passing comments if at all you have done.
I have no, I did not make any comment. Mala, this is here.
So now from the next day onwards, I have to keep a divider here probably.
লর্ডশিপ
If at all, I need a divider between. I mean, this is High Court.
এসো
লর্ডশিপ the status report copy we have not received they have not given now
Give them a copy of the status report.
দিয়েছিলাম
না তাহলে দিয়ে দাও দিতে হবে
The learned advocate for the petitioner has filed a supplementary affidavit.
নেই আর নেই
This is on behalf of petitioner number 1, right?
I am petition number 2 in person she is 1 in person
Now, this has been filed by petitioner number 1.
by herself
The supplementary affidavit filed by the petitioner number 1 in person, we kept on record. A copy of the same has been served upon the other respondents, being respondent number 1 to 13. The learned advocate for the petitioner referred to the order.
লর্ডশিপ last order
Order dated 8/4/2024 in
CRR
by this honorable court in CRR 1023 of 2024, as well as the communication.
এইটা কি এইটাই পুরোটা তো
Addressed
না
to
এইটাই হচ্ছে পুরো
learned Chief Judicial Magistrate Howrah Court,
লাস্টের
marked as Annexure P10 to the writ petition, challenging the writ petition, full stop. The learned advocate for the petitioner further submitted that the communication to the Chief Judicial Magistrate Howrah Court on the ground of CID investigation was not directed through an order of this court as aforesaid. Full stop. The learned advocate, sir, you are for the state, right?
Yes, Mala Sengupta.
I mean, respondents.
Respondent state, yes.
State.
State and CID.
CID. The CID is respondent number.
Just a minute.
State of West Bengal.
My lord, 5, 5, 6,
Respondent
And-
states,
2, and 3. Sorry,
respondent state.
and the 2, 3.
CBI too.
So just
Yeah.
give it.
It is CISF. No, sorry, 2, not 2. 3, 3, 5, 6.
So just write it in a
Yes, 3, not just.
small piece of
Yes, yes.
paper and then
3,
you
5,
give it to him.
356 ভালো করে
Acha. Good stuff.
to
The
the
learned advocate for the respondent state
sweetest secretary
is present.
home.
ADG. It is submitted that by the
Why?
notification.
Art, Commissioner of Police.
So what is that notification that you refer to?
Well, at 130.
Page number 134.
Yes. So no. Just. হয়ে গেল। ইয়েটা কোথায় রাখলাম? Just a minute, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord. এই ওই যেটা আমি করবো না আরে না আমি যেটা sorry.
So can you give me a copy?
My lord, I have handed over already Police Regulation Code 1943. এইটা দেখান প্রথমেরটা দেখান তারপরে ওটা মানে জাস্ট দি relevant portion to my lord. First, my lord, that is Regulation Code 1943.
Acha. The learned advocate
And Lordship,
for the state.
just one indulgence, I bow down. Can it be recorded that reliance is placed on this judgment that CID cannot take up other investigating agency? I am relying.
আমার
So you do it on the next date. It is his submission. You do that on the next date when the hearing will take place. Refer to the police regulations, Bengal, 1943, whereby the CID can on its own
এটা উনি যা
take up the investigation.
এটাও তো ডাইরেক্টর জেনারেল তো দিতে হবে
The learned advocate for the state
আর সেটাও দিতে হবে তো ফোন তো
Is
দিতে হবে কি বলছো
requested
সব দিতে হবে
to inform the learned public prosecutor, Mr. Debashish Roy, to be present before this court on the next date
11
of hearing to explain as to what prompted him to submit before the coordinate bench concerning the CID, concerning the investigations to be taken up by the CID West Bengal. The learned advocates for the respondent is to file a reply to the supplementary affidavit filed by the petitioner in person before the court on the next date. With regard to the security to be provided to the petitioner number 1. Yes, how long will you take? Heard the submission of learned advocate representing respondent number 30.
She is submitting before the criminal revision application before Honorable Justice Tirthankar was that this writ application is pending, so she is not cooperating with the investigation, Your Lordship, and she is enjoying this protection. So unless
No, I believe there was an order of coercive steps not to be taken, but there was no embargo on the
yes,
proceedings of the investigation.
Your Lordship, she is
but
not
but
cooperating.
police because
That's out of context. Let the investigation agency deal with it. This is not within the.
More and more cases, Your Lordship.
you also what to say? I mean, if this is not the forum where a person, if he or she feels aggrieved by certain action, can be prevented from filing cases. Yes. Tell me, 2 weeks time.
We need to talk to Puri.
Respondent number 13 is
17th of September. Be calm. Be calm. Be calm. Be calm. No, it's not the question of what I have told you, that you should not be. You are fighting for a cause, so you have to keep your calm. You have to keep your calm. So you are doing such good job. You are working for a, as you said, you are representing, you are doing good work. So you have to be calm, madam.
bow down. Thank
Be
you.
calm. You be calm.
My lord, one
Be composed.
My
Be
lord,
calm.
one indulgence I am begging. My lord, I have served that status report. Otherwise, they will.
Acha.
Yes.
Please.
So that, my lord, no controversy will come later on.
The status report filed by the learned advocate for the
Status
state,
report, my lord.
kept on record. A copy of the same has been served upon the petitioner number 1 and petitioner number 2 in person.
Status report.